Hey there, it's Amelia. So recently someone asked if there was a way to make letters gradient in Canva. And although we couldn't find an effect that was available, it actually is possible. And here's how. Here's one that I already did. So let me move to a blank page and I'll show you what I did. So we're going to start with elements and I'm going to use the word color. I'm going to search for the letter C. And I'm going to select a frame, a C frame. So I'm going to do that for each letter. And L. And for this, I will just copy the O. And then I just need an R. A small r. Perfect. Okay, and now we're going to move over to photos, and I already have search for gradient. So what you want to do is select the gradient photo, and depending on where you move it around, it may snap into the background, so you might need to make it a little smaller and then just kind of hover over the letter and it will snap into the frame. So I'm going to pick another gradient for the next letter. Snap that into the O. Pick another one here. Make that a little smaller. Snap that into the L. Snap that into the O, and let's find a good one here. So the possibilities are limitless, like not only with gradient, but you can just pick some other type of imagery, shape, even like a photographic image. So let me just pick something like this. That's kind of cool. And drop that in there. And there you have it. So let me just mix it up now, like maybe this one instead of the gradient on the C. This kind of reminds me of the picture fill in PowerPoint. And leave me a comment, let me know if you've tried this or if you have any other effects that you use for something similar. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos.